Hey, my name is Paul, and today I want to show you how you can make this form GDPR compliant by using our WordPress plugin, BuddyForms. But before we jump into that, I just want to mention or to outline that this video doesn't give you any legal advice and that I'm not a lawyer. So if you want to make 100% sure that you comply to the GDPR, please contact a lawyer or get legal advice. So in this kind of example, we have a very basic contact form, but of course with BuddyForms you can make so much more. For example, you can make a registration form or a post form where your users can literally submit user-generated content on your website. And just to mention in the beginning, all the data they are typing in is always stored on your local hosting provider. So there are no third-party apps where we sync the data to or which you can add on here. It's all saved on your own website. And to add here, to make this form GDPR compliant, what we need is like a consent, user consent, so that our users can exactly understand what's happening with the data they're submitting here. And in order to integrate that, I just want to show you this contact form in the back end. And we've done a new GDPR form element for that, which you can find here. And you can add that field, edit your GDPR element, and select an agreement template. We've made some for you. So if you have like a post submission form, a contact form, or a registration form, you can use our templates which shows already some text. Hit plus here. And here you have this template, as I've said, which we provided some legal text, but of course you should always contact a lawyer in order to be compliant on that. And you can say, all right, I want to make that required or maybe pre-filled, which in that case is not a good idea. So we just go like that and hit update and refresh our contact page. Here we go. That's really easy, right? So with this case, you can update all your BuddyForms to make that GDPR compliant and have a consent right here. And a last thing which I want to mention is that you should have always your privacy policy displayed somewhere where you have user information filled in. And you can do that by just going to the settings or in BuddyForms. Go to GDPR, which is a new setting element. Here you see all the template texts of registration form, post submission, contact form, or other form elements. And what I was mentioning is the form footer link. And here you can just type text. Here you find our privacy policy, for example, and select the page, save changes, and refresh our contact page. Here we go. So even if you maybe disabled the footer on, let's say, a registration page or post submission page where you don't want to have like a lot of links somewhere, you're still able to link your privacy policy underneath the form which you uploaded. That's it pretty much. And if you like that, just give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm very happy if you give me any feedback on that. And I'll see you soon in the next video.